Google has released a new AI model which is called Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. This AI model allows you to generate and edit images using text prompt. You can use the natural language to edit your images. The photos you see on the screen are generated and edited by Google's new AI model. So in this video you will find how you can use the Google's new AI model to generate and edit images and what are the other things you can do with this new model. So let's get started. First of all, head over to this link given in video description. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account and you will see this page. From the right hand side, you will see the model. Make sure you select the new experimental model, Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation Experimental Model, and output format should be images and text. On the left hand side, you will see an option to create prompt and some other options, and then you will find enable chat history. You have to link your Google Drive to save the prompt history, right? And here are some samples that you can try, like image editing, visual story, or create birthday card. Once you click on image editing, it will show you a sample like add some chocolate drizzle to the croissant. And you see that it has added some chocolate drizzle to the croissant. Now I will try to generate an image via prompt and I will try to edit that image. Alright, let's create an image of a lion holding a banana and eating it in the wild, and the image should be portrait. And once I run the command, it takes some time and you see it has generated an image of a lion holding a banana and eating it in the wild. Image is a portrait. It is a low resolution image with the Gemini branding at the left bottom corner, but still it is a great result. Now I will try to edit this image by typing some prompts. First of all, let's try to enlarge the background and let's see how does it work. It takes some time to edit the image depending on the prompt. Now you see it has enlarged the background, of course. Now let's try to replace the banana with ice cream and run the command. And you see it has replaced the banana with ice cream. So you can see that it is doing a great job. I can edit the image just by typing a prompt. I am typing basic prompt to edit the image, but you can give a detailed prompt to make different changes on any images, right? So you have to type the detailed prompt to get the best result. Now let's try to replace the lion with a tiger and run the command. You see it has replaced the lion with tiger, but the ice cream is missing. Overall, it is an experimental AI model. Alright, now let's create a new image, a beautiful model posing for a brand. I did not specify any gender and let's run the command. Now I got a model posing for the brand, that is clothing brand I guess, and it did understand the beautiful model means a female model, not the male. Alright. So I will try to make some changes to this image. Let's change the color of dress. I will just type make the dress color red. You see it did a great job changing the dress color to the red, but it did not change the color completely. The top one is still black. So I will try to change the complete color to the red and let's see. Now it is completely red. So it depends on your prompt. The more detail you will provide, the better result you will get. So I will try to make some other changes like extending this image. You can try to extend the image or enlarge it. And let's see how does it go. Yes, it did extend the image and it looks quite natural. Now I try to change the red dress to a denim one, but the red color is still there. So I tried to remove the red color completely and trying to add a mysterious background inspired by Batman. You see it has added a mysterious Batman background, but the red color is still there. Now if you want to edit your own images, then you can upload it and give the prompt to make changes. So I will just upload this one and type some prompts. Make the puppies more brighter, add contrast, saturation and cheerful background. And you see the result. It did enhance the background, added some brighter environment, but also added the vignetting which I didn't request. So let's make some other changes. Make puppies look serious. The one puppy is serious but another one is still happy. So make sure you type the detailed prompt. I am just typing basic prompt for the demonstration. Now I uploaded this image and let's try to enlarge this image. And Google failed to generate content. I think Google is thinking that I am trying to generate a steady content. Google is strictly against the NSFW content, so it might make some mistake understanding your command. So you don't try to generate any kind of NSFW content. Alright, I will delete the image. Anytime you don't like the edit, you can delete the image and prompt and start from the previous step. Now I tried it with another image, but it did not work again. So I am trying to create a full image using a portrait, but it did not work. Now let's try to flip the image. I mean, show the other side of this woman. And it did a great job. Everything looks perfectly fine. The dress, makeup and hair, everything looks real. So it did a great job this time. Now I will try to make some changes to the previous image. So I will delete the new result and prompt. And let's type a new prompt here. Give me the web picture with a black hairs and a sunglass. This time hair color is natural, it look good, but the sunglass is quite funny. So I will try to remove the sunglass, and it removed the sunglass, but the hair is still black. Now I am uploading an image of a tiger, and let's type some prompts. Show me the tiger is standing on two legs holding a banner with a text subscribe. Now I got a different tiger, I guess, but the tiger is still standing on two legs holding a banner. You see, it is a bit different tiger, but still the result is good. But there's an extra leg here. I don't know which tiger is this, but still AI can make mistakes. Now let's make the tiger smile, and you see the tiger is smiling. So you better subscribe. Alright, let's upload another image of this Coca-Cola. And I want to take out this Coke can to a different background like an ad. So you see the result. It did a great job. It did remove the Coca-Cola can from the image, but the text I guess is some different type of text. The AI generated text at the top, but the background is still good. So you can type a detailed prompt for the result whatever you are expecting. Same for any other product. I just typed a basic prompt like add a landscape background, and it added a landscape background without doing anything else. So I will just type another prompt to make it more real. And this time it created a more natural image. So it depends on your prompt. Whatever edits you want to make, you have to type that. The more you explain, the better results you will get. Now you can also colorize any image. You can upload any black and white image and ask it to colorize or change the color. Now I just want to add some colors to these birds, and you see the result. It added blue color to one bird, but you can give a detailed prompt to make changes according to your requirements. Now again, let's try to create a full image from a portrait, and this time I will use a different image, and let's see. Again, it did not work, so I will change the prompt, and you see it has created full image this time with a funny outfit. So overall it depends on your prompt. However you are instructing the AI, it will work accordingly. Alright guys, apart from image editing, you can create visual stories. If you try the sample prompt, you see it is creating a visual story with similar images. And you can use these images to any image to video AI model like Helio to create a full video, full animation video. So apart from editing images, you can use this AI model to generate any visual story or create some birthday cards. So it totally depends on your prompt and creativity to get the best out of this AI model. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next one.